music Sabbath yet. Yes. It has really been a blessing. Have you been blessed? Have you been blessed? I see only a couple hands, which means I have been blessed. I see the 10 fingers. We have been blessed. We thank God for His blessings. We thank God for His blessings. The music, we just start from Sabbath school. It was wonderful. The music has been wonderful. And the Holy Spirit has been present. All we need is a word from the Lord. This morning, my brothers and sisters, you may be wondering, why am I standing here? Pastor is going to preach. I was asked by the pastor just to introduce this sermon. Pastor reached out to me and said, Elder, the first time we spoke, he shared on this message. And I said, Pastor, that's a powerful message. And then when we spoke again in the middle of week, he said, Elder, the Holy Spirit is impressing upon me to say that you need to introduce this message. And so when you see me here, my role is simple, is to introduce the message. And both of us combined will share the word so that you and I may be blessed. So that you and I may be blessed. You know, I sometimes in my young age, I used to try to figure things out. The older I have become, I don't figure things out. I let the Holy Spirit lead things out. And when things are led out by the Holy Spirit, they always turn out a lot better. So when the pastor said introduced it,